How to customize and reorder Photos app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Then in here, you want to scroll down all the way down to the bottom. Now if you are already in Library, then just simply tap on the close button down here to close Library, and then we scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom here, tap on Customize and Reorder. So from here, you can choose which items to show or hide. So for example, if you want to hide albums, you can deselect the item and that will hide the albums option. If you want to hide wallpaper suggestions, you can also deselect that or turn it on. Now to reorder the items, you can touch and hold on one of the items. So for example, utilities, I can drag it to the top just below recent days and then tap on the close button. From here, if I scroll up, you can see it shows recent days and the next item is utilities. So that is how you can customize and reorder items in Photos on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.